What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Blue, and today's video is going to be a live trading video. So with today's video, y'all can look at a couple of the setups that I take, or the main setup that I take, and how I trade it. If y'all like these type of videos, drop a comment for me and leave a like, and don't forget to subscribe if you like the video. Now let's get on into this video.
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold. You might.
The market is open, so now I'm looking for a live trade to enter, and we're gonna see what we can get. The market opened at 33.33. It's not pushing hard, so I can take a short maybe at 33.36 if we get up here. Let me see, yeah, because it's a lot of resistance up here. Where's their support? At 33. Yeah, I could take. If it gets through here, maybe it'll give me a fake breakdown and pop back up. If not, then I'll add. We got some support down here at 33.27 that I can add to. We got a nice little size gap up from when it closed. So we shall see. It's moving kind of slow right now. Okay, here we go. If it push up and fill me up at 33.36. Yeah. And then 33.39 to be my add spot. If it gets up here. Just laying out the plan. So I'm trying to leave it rolling to wait to get a feel, but it's taking some time. Might end up having to pause it. Well, it's over 33.35, so pull back. All right, I'm going to pause it. If it seems like it's about to hit it, then I'm going to get it back going.
Filled.
Well, it just filled my order. I'm going to put another one at 33.39 to get filled for a second contract. I'm getting some hesitation. My platform, 33.39. Put it down at the 2 down at
Order filled.
33.35. So in case you want to come back down. Add another one at up at 42. Oh no, not 2 but 1. Up at 42. And we see it, trying to see if it's going to come back down to either fill me down here to take me out for 25 bucks. Or if it want to continue up to fill my second order. So, let's see, 33.37. It's close, but who knows? It likes to pop back up on you. Just holding right here. Okay, it took me out. Let me get rid of this order. I don't want this order down here. Too bad I couldn't do this on the first one, but anyways, that's the first one. So we're gonna see if we can get another one, and we'll start it back up if I find something else. So I went downstairs for a second, and the market was down here. And when I came back up to my computer, the market had pushed up and filled my order that was sitting up here and went up. So I ended up getting out when it started pulling back right here just for a small gain, and ended up making $37.50 total. More than likely I'm done for the day, but if y'all like these live trades, make sure you drop a comment, let me know, and hit the subscribe button and hit that thumbs up and give me a like, and we'll be back at this tomorrow. All right, later.